This is modern-day life. A fraction of history, made a reality by the pioneers that challenged the unimaginable, unleashing a constant progress of innovation that dramatically improved our lives and empowered economies and societies to grow at an astounding velocity. But the modern world is posing a tremendous strain on our future. Faced with impending environmental risks, disruptive new technologies, and increasingly more complex consumers and markets, today's visionaries must entirely reimagine business models and processes in order to become sustainable while retaining a competitive edge. Challenging the status quo will depend on great courage and determination, and by leveraging the right technologies. Dassault Systèmes 3D Experience platform empowers the next generation innovators to enhance the real world with the virtual world, creating, designing, and testing the total experience, from idea to market delivery and usage. As a system of operations, the 3D Experience platform connects an organization's entire value chain into a single collaborative ecosystem, integrating every phase of a product's lifecycle, from strategy and design to engineering and sales, providing a holistic real-time vision of a business. The 3D Experience platform is comprised by a portfolio of powerful applications, unleashing the full potential of each individual. With industry solution experiences tailored for each industry, it unites people, ideas, and data seamlessly, wherever, whenever, whether running in the cloud or on-premise. As a business model, the 3D Experience platform enables companies to re-architect their value chain, from inception to creation to transaction. Exploring and reimagining roles, relationships, and new circular methods of operating. It is also an extended marketplace, directly connecting sellers with buyers, purchasers with subcontractors, and service providers with end customers. The 3D Experience platform is the only platform that both is a system of operations to run a business and a business model to transform a business. It is a catalyst, leveraging collective intelligence, agility, and efficiency to deliver a new world of sustainable innovations, capable of harmonizing product, nature, and life.